Hello, welcome to this week's episode of Dish Upon a Star. My name is Samantha. Today we're going to be watching Toy Story 4, and I really wanted to make something inspired by the true hero of Toy Story 4. Y'all know I'm talking about Duke Caboom. Since he's from Canada, figured we gotta do a traditional Canadian dish. Today we're making poutine. To start making our poutine, we're gonna begin by prepping our potatoes. We're gonna begin by washing and peeling our potatoes. Got about a pound of them here, so 4 large potatoes. Then we're gonna slice them up into our nice French fry shape there. We're gonna put them into a large bowl, and we are going to soak these potatoes with some warm water and let them sit for about 10 minutes. So for the next 10 minutes, we're gonna let those sit. We're gonna start making our gravy. For our gravy, you're gonna take about 1 pound of boneless beef chuck. We're gonna dice it up into little bite-sized pieces there. Once the beef is prepped, you can set it aside and start getting the potatoes ready. You're gonna strain out all the water and then dump those potatoes out onto a bunch of paper towels. We gotta get them really dry, make sure there's no extra water on there. Then we're gonna put them back into our original bowl. We're gonna toss them in some olive oil, pepper, garlic powder, and some salt to make sure they get coated nice and evenly. Once that's done, we're gonna lay them out single layer on a baking sheet that we've coated with some olive oil here. And we're gonna pop those in the oven to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Back to our gravy, friends. We're gonna throw some oil in a pan, get that nice and warmed up. Once that's ready, we're throwing in our beef. Gonna cook that till it's nice and brown, about 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's nice and brown, we're putting in our butter. Gonna cook it till it's melted. And we're tossing in our onions, our salt, our pepper, our cayenne. Then we're gonna add in that flour, cook that for about 2 to 3 minutes. That's gonna make everything nice and thick. Then we're gonna add in our beef stock. We're gonna do about 4 cups of that, and then we're gonna let this simmer. At the 15-20 minute mark for your fries, you're gonna wanna take them out of the oven, flip them over again, and cook them for another 5 to 10 minutes so they get nice and crispy. Well, that gravy looks about done, smells about done to me. I think it's time for me to sneak a cheese curd here, check on our fries, and I think we're ready to start plating everything. Can't have poutine without cheese curds. Gonna put those right on the fries first, then top them with as much gravy as you'd like. Let's get ready to enjoy them. I'm so excited! Alright, so sitting outside. This looks and smells amazing. I'm really excited to try it. Let's get started eating. Holy buckets. Alright. I like to consider myself a poutine connoisseur, and this is fabulous. I love the addition of the full beef and the gravy on the onions, and as you all know, I'm not a fan of onions, but definitely lots of big flavor. The fries turned out really good too, nice and crispy. Any Canadians watching this, let me know what I got right, let me know what I got wrong, let me know what I can do in the future to make this poutine more authentico. Overall, I'm super happy with this dish, you guys. I think Duke Caboom would approve. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Recipe is down below. See you next week. Have a magical day.